This is the simple upside down shepherd's pie or quiche. Slice your mushrooms and dice your onions. Then dice up your potatoes. Then put them in a pan ready for boiling with some salted water. Dice your chicken up. Once the potatoes are ready, add some butter and mash them up. Once they're mashed, put them aside. Now get your onions, get some ginger and garlic paste, some turmeric and some paprika, any spices you want at that point. Add your chicken, cook them till they're dry. Then add your mushrooms, cook them down again. It will release a little bit of moisture. Once that's done, get this ready. You flattened your potatoes in, add some cheese if you want. Then add your chicken mushroom topping. Once that's done, then you need to get 3 eggs, add some cream or milk, mix it all up together, pour it on top, and then add some cheese to the top of that. Pop it in an oven at 160 for about 30 minutes, and then you have it ready to go. A very delicious light lunch for you and your family. Thank you very much.